The European Commission plans for an investigative mission in Bulgaria regarding its Schengen accession. In this video, we talk about the progress and challenges of Bulgaria's integration into the Schengen Zone. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance. The European Commission has announced plans for an upcoming fact-finding mission in Bulgaria, marking a crucial step in evaluating the country's readiness for Schengen accession. This initiative follows a formal request from the Netherlands, signaling an unprecedented move in the ongoing assessment process. The European Commission's spokesperson, Anita Hyper, confirmed the Netherlands' request for a fresh evaluation of Bulgaria's Schengen preparedness. While specifics of the mission were not disclosed, the European Commission reiterated its stance that both Bulgaria and Romania fulfill the essential criteria for full entry into the Schengen Zone. The Commission has pledged to facilitate discussions between concerned member states to expedite a decision, potentially through the organization of an investigative mission. The long-debated inclusion of Romania and Bulgaria in the European Union's Schengen Zone has been officially scheduled for discussion at the upcoming Justice and Home Affairs Council meeting on December 5, 2023. Fernando Grande Marlaska, Spain's Interior Minister, expressed optimism regarding the potential finalization of Romania and Bulgaria's Schengen accession in December. However, the membership of these two countries continues to be opposed by authorities in Austria and, in the case of Bulgaria, by the Dutch authorities. Do you think Bulgaria and Romania will successfully join Schengen this year? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.